Dang, we late. It's 9:35. We're live, though.
We live. We're late because of your long-ass story.
Fuck you. But yeah, that's exactly why. That's exactly why we're late.
And it's Friday.
It's Friday.
We got shit to do. Actually, I got the vendor packet in last night from Ben for Cannabis, so all day I'll be grinding.
Oh, you got the vendor packet?
Got the vendor packet.
That is nice. Happy to hear that.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we have one in the works for Big Pine. I asked for one, but I've not yet received it.
When is that again? September?
October.
October what?
I believe the second week. I thought it was in my calendar. I don't know what happened. I want to say it's the 10th through the 12th or 13th, but I'm not sure. I'll have to find out and get it in my calendar. Could be the week before.
Man, that's 2 months away.
I know. I would love to have like sponsors or vendors or any sort of advertisement for it.
Okay, you got it. I'll help you.
We'll do it. Okay, let's play this song.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, hello there, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is August 13th, 2021. Patriots were on yesterday.
Ooh.
And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We're bridging gaps, Davey, between the stock, the cannabis, the comedy, and the crypto games.
Absolutely love it. Let's give a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries and Mad Terp Labs. Go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. They keep us high every day, and they should keep you every day. Keep you high every day too. Damn, I almost had that.
You almost
Brian,
had it.
I almost fucking had it. Brian, who else do we got?
We got Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. Works with TradingView.com. Gives you very clear buy and short signals, as you can see here on screen. Gives you confidence to make good trades. If you see something that's heavily in the short, don't buy it probably. Yeah, TradingView.com, cheat code algorithm. I just zoned out there too, Dave, so you're not alone today. Use the link in the description. You get a discount, we get some money, you help support the show.
Oh, fucking A. Yeah, already super high. This is my fourth joint of the morning. You probably got up at 4 o'clock. I usually get up at between 4 and 4:30 now. It's a thing. And then I'll go right to the gym for an hour, come back, shower, and then it's markets time for open. So I got a nice little routine going.
Nice.
But how was your morning?
Pretty good for the most part. There was a bit of an annoyance, which I'm not going to bring up on air. However, to counteract that, I was just like hanging. I let the dogs outside earlier, and I look out and I see them hanging out over by our gate in the back, and I was like, what's going on? And there's just like a little pup dog over there hanging out outside the gate in the alley. He's probably an older guy. He's like a little chihuahua, but he seemed pretty friendly, and the dog's like, what's up? And I was like, all right, hope maybe I can like lure this dog in, see if I can't. Like, he didn't have a collar or anything, but like I don't want the dog running around getting hit by a car,
Yep.
So I opened the door, he ran away. And then maybe like 45 minutes after that, I let the dogs out again. I look out back. He's in the backyard playing with my dogs.
What?
Yeah, he's snuck. I mean, he's a tiny dog, and I kind of I opened up the back fence just a little bit. Like, it's literally open like 4 inches, and he could sneak in. And yeah, he snuck in, and he was just playing with DJ and Rocco, having a grand old time. And, like, anytime Rocco got too much to him, he would sneak out the fence, and then Rocco would be like, oh, I can't follow him, and he would walk away. And then the dog would come back in and just sneak up behind him and, like, sniff his butt. It was the fucking cutest thing. It's like, this dog's just, like, best friends with my doggos.
Man, you got homeless chihuahuas over there, though?
Oh, dude, we have so many homeless chihuahuas over here.
Really?
Oh, packs of them sometimes. Depends on the...
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Devin's been chased by homeless chihuahuas a couple times.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Because here's the problem. So, like, this old Phoenix neighborhood, it's also been, like, pretty low income for a little while. There's a lot of Mexican families here. I'm not being rude or disparaging, but there's a couple families here that have, like, 10 plus chihuahuas in their yard, dude. Like, there's a dude right across the street from us that has 9 chihuahuas. And there's, like, bunches of houses like that all over. And sometimes they just get out. And they can't keep track of those fucking dogs. So they'll just end up roaming around. I've probably seen at least 30 different stray dogs running around my neighborhood since I've moved here.
No way.
Heavy in the chihuahuas, too.
Man, like, all I've seen, like, run around with those fucking turkeys.
Oh, in New Hampshire?
No, I mean not turkeys. The chicken. The chickens fucking walking around downtown. Everyone's yard just floating.
Wild.
Yeah. Wow. But yeah. Also on my night, the sport betting account is back on the Discord. It is fucking back. Football is back.
Okay. Dave is going to lose money on betting on football?
No. I did that. I just put $20 in my account again. I put $20 on for a parlay, 2 games for the Patriots and the Steelers for $44. And they won, so now I have $64 in my account.
Good for you.
Yeah. So those small little bets, will eventually turn into a big bet, and then I could transfer those winnings into my Coinbase account to maybe get into XLM with you.
XLM is moving.
It is. It's in the 30s, I saw.
Yep.
It was up 9%, I think, today.
Yeah, it's having a pretty good day today. It's down it peaked a few hours ago. It's a little bit down from there. But yeah, dude, it was in my Celsius account, so I couldn't flip it. Like, in an ideal world, woulda, coulda, shoulda, probably should have sold when it was at like 75 cents, rebought in when it hit like 22 or whatever. It was fairly low for a little bit, but This is my baby,
Yep.
Like, I will not let it go. I only ever put $100 into it. I'm up like 3, 4, 5 times, something like that, on my initial investment. I ain't mad.
Yeah, it went up 15 cents in the last month, which is really fucking good. When it's only 30-something cents. So you put a couple $1,000s into that, and you'll have thousands.
Yeah. And
Make your fucking money.
It's been pretty steady up, but it hasn't been like skyrocketing, which is nice. Mm-hmm. And it does looks to me like a little, your favorite, the cup and handle might be forming back from when it was up at 80 cents. I'd love to see it.
Yep. You just got to make sure you take your profits this time.
I won't do that. I'm holding it in them. I told you I'm not getting rid of it.
I don't know, man. Same thing with Doge. It would have been nice to take a profit at 50, 60, 70 cents, whatever it was, and then rebuy back in at 16.
Personally, I agree with you. Personally, I think Doge is a little bit more volatile than XLM. Like, XLM has function. There are things being built off of it, so I'm just kind of thinking it'll hopefully steadily grow. I think Doge is always going to be a bit of a lottery ticket type coin, personally.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. All right, let's switch to some Discord talk. We actually had some people posting some plays and posting some articles this morning and last night. So the first one I want to go over is one which from Bryson wanted to. It's a cannabis one, AGFY.
It's so funny. Whenever I see this this ticker, I think, go fuck yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.
Look at it. He called it. Mm-hmm. He fucking called it at the beginning of May. It was 7 something. Now it's $30 fucking.
Yeah. IPO'd in beginning of February, went up, tanked, and then at $7.50 if you bought it, you're a happy camper. That's Agrify.
It says they operates as a developer of advanced and proprietary precision hardware and software grow solutions for the indoor agricultural marketplace, aka cannabis.
That is a lot of words.
Yeah, it's a big description for a little company.
Yep.
74 employees.
Market cap $500 million.
And then Yeah, the volume today is 1.281 million fucking shares being sold at $30.
Yeah,
that's probably on the trending tickers.
Yeah, that is if you've been in Agrify, congrats, good for you.
Yep.
And we also have Wish.
Yes.
This one I'm not so sure about.
Why? Why do you say that?
I love to be wrong about it. It was Penny Russell that says this is his weekend swing play. I don't know why the fuck you would buy this going into the weekend. That seems like a bad idea to me, personally. I think, if anything, that's probably going to be... Like, look at how down it is, you know? And while, yeah, things sometimes peak up, like, you can see it hit a bottom at the beginning of June and then spiked up. It went from fucking 7 to 16. So it has it in it, I guess. But, like, there's no way I would buy this the way it looks right now to hold over the weekend. You're just going to be anxious as shit once you wake up on Monday.
You're definitely going to be anxious as shit, but it can't get much worse than fucking what it is right now.
That's not true at all.
Well, I have it on the day view, and it is at an all-time low.
I understand that.
It is at an all-time low.
If it does not recover from this, it is going to get much worse. That's what I think personally. I think if it breaks, you're going to see people freak the fuck out. Because it has support around here. I mean, it's at an all-time low, sure, but it's like hovering around. Look, it hit that kind of support line a couple times. But like, dude, if this thing breaks through, oh boy. People are going to wake up and realize, like, Wish sucks. It's a fucking garbage website. Selling garbage shit.
So you look at the bottom right of the earn, it pretty much had it hit expectations for earnings. So with that being said, do you see it dropping? You know what I'm saying?
No, it says actual is minus 16, estimate minus 13, but surprise minus 03. That's 21%. You know, that's a big number.
It is a big number. It is.
Yeah, that's why it dropped so much. People are like they're not making any money. They sell. The term for it in the balisong world is CCC, cheap Chinese crap. That's what they sell. It's just cheap Chinese crap of everything. And, like, who the fuck buys that? People buy shit from Wish, and then they get it. They're like, why did I wait 5 weeks for this garbage to come in?
Because it's so cheap.
Yeah, but it's never worth it. It's trinkets and knickknacks.
Bro, like, I don't know, like, it's not really, like, up to, like, on us, but women, for example, Joelle, she fucking buys clothing from all these different websites, and everything just comes in random fucking packages. So I don't even know what she's doing. So I'm going to assume they do stuff like that. It's people like her.
Maybe.
You know, not people like us.
Yeah. I think, I mean, this would be, if this does pop, like, I was looking at calls, you know, like $8, $10 calls for a little while off. It's just like, if this popped up, that'd be fucking money. But I don't know, looking at this graph, this is one of the worst looking graphs I've ever seen. This is fucking garbage.
Yeah, but as you can see, like, on the watch list, it's already down 18 fucking %. Usually, if it goes down another 18, 10%, again, 2 days in a row, that means something bad fucking happened.
Yeah.
But it looks like it's not doing the best. It comes out doing the best, but it doesn't look like somebody died in the warehouse type shit.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
So I don't know. I think if it breaks that $8 by the end of the day, all on board probably. Trading at $7.68. I don't know. But yeah, you got the first article for the IPO SPAC news today, babe.
Boom! IPO SPAC news. Cineworld weighs U.S. listing in challenge to meme stock AMC.
How does it make you feel?
What's that?
How does it make you feel?
How dare you challenge my baby, AMC? I'm probably gonna go to AMC twice this weekend. Honestly, I want to see.
Why?
I want to see Suicide Squad. That's out. I also want to see Free Guy. Those are both
Free
out.
Guy.
Free Guy.
What's
it's
that?
a new Ryan Reynolds movie. He's a guy in like a video game that realizes he's in a video game. Looks pretty good.
Oh, so like real life?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's like he's in real life and he realizes we're in a simulation. I get what you're saying. I was high. I'm high.
I was just trying to make it funny.
I think we're in a simulation. Are you kidding me?
I joined you too.
There's a lot of weird shit going on.
Yeah, but keep going. I'm sorry for interrupting you.
No worries. Cineworld Group PLC is weighing a U.S. listing to tap investors in the movie theater operator's biggest market as it tries to bounce back from the coronavirus pandemic. The company's shares jumped as much as 10%. London-listed Cineworld gets most of its profits from the U.S. since it acquired Regal Entertainment Group in 2018. Do they trade in London?
So they do trade in London. They're about to trade in U.S., but they make most of their money here in the U.S. from Regal, which I've definitely seen the Regal movie theaters before.
Yeah. I think those are back east.
Yeah, are they not here?
I don't know. AMC, Harkins. I feel like those are the two that are here most.
You're definitely right, and then that makes sense because London on the other side of the pond.
All right.
But yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, I don't think the movie theaters are good stocks.
Not at all. Fucking awful.
No, they're terrible.
No, fucking terrible. If anything, get into like the Roku and the Fubo or anything like that. Which I saw Fubo popped yesterday. I'm not sure what it's at right now.
It is down 8.76% right now. It happens to be dead middle in my face.
Oh my god, really?
Yep.
That is so funny. Small world. All right, next one for IPO SPAC news. Space company Momentous, after settling SEC charges, gets SPAC approved and will go public. Interesting. Yeah, space company Momentous will later this week go public on the NASDAQ, a month after settling charges from the SEC that it misled investors.
Nice.
The space company has embattled by delayed missions, the pressured departure of the founder and former CEO, the cutting of its valuation in half, and the SEC charges that it falsified results from a prototype spacecraft test in July 2019. That's a lot of bad things, bro.
This is hilarious. Is this the Nikola of space?
Yeah, I fucking think so.
That's so funny.
So shares of Stable Road will convert to stock in Momentous on Friday, with the ticker symbol company changing from SRAC to MNTS. So let's check that out real quick.
From SRAC to Mints.
SRAC. But how fucking wild of a story is that?
Okay. MNTS is currently at 9.99.
Oh, so it is MNTS now.
Yeah. It opened at 1080. It's down. It's actually down 9%. It's down almost $1.
Shit, let me get it on like the minute. I have everything on the hour. Oh, so yeah, just fucking dropped.
Just dropped.
Let's
see what it was before. SRAC?
I couldn't find it.
Yeah, it's not on there.
All right, so that one just dropped, still around the $10 SPAC price. It is a space company. There is no other space company that's listed that's below 10, if I can recall correctly, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we would have to look.
Stocks are just like, they're way too volatile. The EV in space, I mean, that's what it is. Like, who the fuck's going to space? Bezos went to space, everybody rolled their eyes. They're like, oh, just rub it in. We get it. You can leave the planet. You have so much money. Congratulations.
Yeah, everybody did kind of treat him like shit, though, huh?
Because he's just like, it's like, how you gotta flaunt. There's a global pandemic. People are, like, struggling to survive, and this guy's like, I'm not going to space. Like, what a dickhead. He just has he's just so obtuse. You know what I mean? He does not understand the plight of the common man. Clearly. Yeah. Man and woman. We're not sexist here at Trap Stocks. We're EEOs.
Yeah, he probably could have gave everybody in the world a free Amazon Prime account for the year.
Yeah, I mean, why would he do that? But, like, he could have also just, we know you have more money than God, you know, but, like, why do you, I mean, you gotta televise it's just obnoxious.
Yeah, it was very boring. I watched it. I didn't like it at all.
Yeah.
Couldn't see anything. There was no fucking video inside the capsule, nothing. Fucking dumb.
So is there a conspiracy that he didn't go to space?
I definitely saw him go up. Like, I don't know exactly how far. It did have a little ticker, but who fucking knows if that's real or not.
Yeah, so, guess so.
You know, fucking who knows. But yeah, so we got some that sums up our SPAC and IPO news today.
SPAC. All right. I just clicked the link to the next thing and it pulled up pretty much nothing, so we're just going back to our beautiful faces. We got global ETF assets hit $9 trillion. That is an absurd amount of money. $9 trillion.
Crypto is at $2 trillion right now.
crazy. Excuse me. Investors poured $705 billion into exchange-traded funds through the first 7 months of the year, pushing 2021's worldwide tally to a record $9.1 trillion. That's just in ETFs. That's crazy.
I know, but that is like the smart way to do everything. Like if you're the type of person that wants to put your money into a savings account, ETFs are the fucking way to go.
For sure.
It barely moves. You know, it's like a sum of all these other companies. Whatever they fucking want to choose, it's up to them. But wow. 9.1 trill.
That's so much money.
So much for you. Then the next one, Airbnb. Airbnb. Let me get that.
Airbnb. We have somebody in chat right now really popping off with some crypto
oh shit.
stuff.
Bitcoin going to 1 billion. Buy a ticket now for space. Make stock market great again. Great Biden Trump stock market presidents. We can all make 10 trill. Buy the dips. Yeah, you're right. I think my personal number one rule is never buy in the green, buy in the red. But I fucking disagree with that all the time. Yeah. Fucking. All right, let's go back to fucking Airbnb where we were talking about ticker ABNB. So Airbnb beats on top and bottom line for Q2. Airbnb says it's strong bookings for the second quarter with the highest gross nights booked of any quarter in the company's history. The home sharing company's gross bookings of $13.4 billion beat the average Wall Street estimate.
Good for you, back, Airbnb.
Baby. We are fucking back.
Man, Airbnb's been such a roller coaster for you.
Yeah. I'm not in it anymore, but I did play it when it initially dropped. Yeah, I had a really good time. It was very fun. We talked a lot of shit. We were at your house when we were recording.
Yeah. Yeah, you panicked. It was hilarious to watch.
I did panic very fucking much.
Instant panic, yeah, because you bought it.
Time. That was before the bull season of last year.
Yep. Yeah, you bought it. It went up. You were like, $100. You're like foaming at the fucking mouth, and then it just immediately crashed, and you were like, no, I'm never.
I made a profit.
It was like when Frank bought Robinhood just last week.
No, bro, I profited on it.
I just want to say shout out to whoever AF Alam is, but man, how does this guy type this fast? You see all these messages?
Yeah, I fucking love it.
Is that a chart or someone drew it? This is a chart. Let's just bring up Bitcoin for this guy. So everybody buy Bitcoin. That's what he's saying. That's not financial advice.
So this is the TradingView account, and we also use the cheat code Algo. It is a monthly subscription. It's fucking amazing.
It's great, yeah. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. You get a discount. You can use it. You can't use Dave's account. We've hit the maximum on that. Bitcoin is up. My dad bought Bitcoin like a week or two ago when it was on a little bit of a rally, and it's since been up a little bit, so good on him. He probably should not have bought them, but I'm glad that he did.
Well, 46.5 coming back fucking strong.
Yep,
I love it. I'm long. I don't own any Bitcoin. I just have Doge and Ethereum Classic at the moment, but I'm all for it. Brian, talk about this Peloton.
Yeah, Peloton is sued for improperly charging sales tax. Saw this morning on my web browser made for 60-year-old people. There is a lawsuit, class action lawsuit. Okay, so that means like if you're jumping in on this class action lawsuit, you're not getting anything as a person, but these two dudes or these two lawyers suing them are going to make a fuck ton of money off this. So Peloton's getting sued for improperly charging sales tax on memberships in New York, Virginia, and Massachusetts. In a complaint filed on Tuesday night in federal court in Manhattan, these two guys said Peloton should have treated its $39 a month all-access and $12.99 a month digital memberships as tax-exempt digital goods in the 3 states. They said Peloton has refused to reimburse them for the 6.3% or 8.9% sales tax it had collected before January 1st, when it changed its taxation practices. Millions of dollars nationwide may have been collected improperly, they said. So yeah, Peloton was charging sales tax when they wouldn't. Peloton is down today, 2%.
Down 2%. Peloton is the ticker for anybody that doesn't know. Trading at 110. It's down. It's fallen. It's been falling for a month.
Yeah, this it is just
that
doesn't look good.
That's a nice downward fucking trend. Not nice, but it's a nice looking downward trend. It's hitting the consolidation point, of mid-July. This could be a bounce point. It could, if anything, maybe fucking Russell should be looking at this one.
I think Penny Russell, this is probably out of his wheelhouse.
Yeah, you're right.
He is Penny Russell after all. AFL, check out the Discord if you're still here. We definitely need active people, and nobody talks about Bitcoin anymore. There's a link below.
Yeah, we don't have too many people talking about crypto. Mostly stocks.
Yeah.
Yep. Next, this one's fucking interesting. I don't know how Jack Harlow is going to feel about this, but Adidas sells Reebok. Reebok has officially been sold to the Authentic Brands for $2.5 billion.
That is a lot of money.
You know what, those fucking the dad sneakers. It's gonna be a whole new conversation and a whole new style of dad sneakers now.
Why is that?
Because Reeboks. I wonder if it's gonna have like an up. There's gonna be new designers, so there's gonna be new colors, new dad shoes are coming.
Or Reebok's dad shoes?
Reeboks are definitely dad shoes.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, Reebok and New Balance.
You're saying with that? Oh, I know that New Balance are dad shoes.
Oh, well, maybe I'm just saying it because that's what my dad used to fucking wear.
Oh, they're your dad shoes.
Yeah, I guess maybe I should have said that.
I think my dad wears New Balances too.
All right, but yeah, I thought that was fucking interesting. But that wraps it up for the stock news, and we got a little bit of crypto for you. Ryan, you want to start off with that?
Yeah. Poly Network. So yeah, if you've been watching the show this week, this is actually I think this is 3 days running now. Poly Network rewards hacker who stole $610 million with $500,000 bug bounty. So yeah, if you've been paying attention, a little while ago, a hacker stole $610 million worth of coins off the Poly Network. And then I believe yesterday, excuse me, he returned it and said that he was just exploiting a bug in it. And Poly Network has since given him a $500,000 reward.
Wow.
The network also said it hoped Mr. White Hat would contribute to the blockchain sector's continued development upon accepting the reward, which it had offered as part of negotiations around the return of the digital coins. Interesting. So, so this guy was like, "Yeah, I mean, I'll give it back, but I exploited a huge flaw, so I deserve some compensation." And they're like, "You're right. Here's $500,000,000," which I think is fair. That guy could have took $610 million. He could have ruined this entire company.
Yeah, he should have asked for a little bit more.
Oh, he should have. But I mean, if they're giving him a job, that is also quite nice.
That is quite nice with incentive.
Yeah.
All right, next. This one's looking good. LTC, Litecoin. Talk about some crypto coins. Trading around $35 right now. Man. Oh, not $35. I have LTC properly. I am fucking a silly man. Here we go right now. 176. Oh, 177. Here we go. So over the past 24 hours, Litecoins prices rose 8% to $180. This continues its positive trend over the past week, where it has experienced a 25% gain, moving from 144.66 to its current price. And as it stands right now, the coin's all-time high is $410. Brian, how do you feel? Are we long on this or what?
I don't. Oh, excuse me. I don't know enough about Litecoin to be long on it, but the reason I sent this over to you is I do think there's a crypto rally. We're in the middle of it. If you look back, I mean, it hit a bottom. And Litecoin in general hit a bottom at 19 July, and it's just been running since then. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin. Looking fairly similar. Same thing. Bottomed out July 19th, up $20,000 since July 19th. So, we're at least in some form of a crypto run right now. Hopefully it kind of gets back up to the prices that we saw back in April. That'd be incredible, if I'm being honest.
So I have the day view up right now, and I'm looking at Doge, Litecoin, and Ethereum Classic, and they are exactly the same.
Yeah, wild that Doge is following Bitcoin so strongly, but that's kind of how Bitcoin works. Like, the major coins run very similar to Bitcoin. Yeah, and you're right, Doge is the same thing. Kind of wild. That's almost like solidifying itself as a real crypto.
And it is, don't you think?
I mean, I guess.
Yeah, wow.
I gotta text my dad.
Yeah, I'm actually going to put Litecoin on the watch list because this is very interesting to me right now. LTC USD on our watch list. Cool. So that was our stock and crypto news for the day. Do you have any plays? Did you make anything?
Nope, just watching just chilling, watching the cryptos. Honestly, UWMC was up earlier. Yeah, it's up 40 cents, 5.23%. Earnings is coming Monday. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. If earnings are bad, oh man, I don't want to see $6 again. That sucked.
Yeah, I was gonna say mid-May, fucking hit $6. I don't think so. I think it's been falling quite some time. It's got to regain something. I can see it easily bouncing back up to $10.
Yeah, it'd be great. I think I got to get rid of it eventually, but I don't want to lose any money on it.
What's your average?
I think it's like $10.
Man, what about averaging down? You didn't think about that?
I averaged down a little bit.
Okay.
10.06. Yeah. If it dips below 7 again, I'll probably average down again. I don't want to. I don't want to buy any more of this shit.
Yeah, you're right. And right when you do sell, it's gonna fucking pop.
I know.
Yeah.
That's how it always is.
Well, that was our fucking show for today. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe the video. And join our Discord. The link is below. We're just a bunch of stoners sending gifts, making money.
Yeah.
And what do you have for everybody today?
Thank you, everybody, for checking it out. Thank you to AF Alam for blowing up the chat. I mean that in a nice way. I'm not being an asshole at all. I also want to shout out Dave's camera, which is still blurry, even though I brought it up yesterday. Dave, focus that fucking camera. It's got a little dial. Turn it until you're not blurry anymore. You don't have to do it right now, but...
Oh, bro, I never even noticed that. I'll work on it.
That's
better. It's definitely better right now, but I'll work on it. I didn't even know.
Yeah.
It blew my mind right now.
You're welcome. Shout out to Twan Murder, who made the theme song for us. He sent me like 4 new songs over the last week, and I gotta listen to them. I've just been busy, so I'm gonna do that.
Love it.
Enjoy your weekend. If you're making any trades, be careful. Monday's always a scary day. That's all I have to say.
Yep, very right. And Cannabis, November 14th, 2021 here in Phoenix. It is going to be a weed fucking fest. Tickets are going to be at trapcultureaz.com. It should be up on Monday. We just finished the vendor packet today, and we're going to send it out to every fucking licensed vendor here in Arizona. So if you want to get high, ride some go-karts, play some mini golf, arcade, that is the place to go. And we will see your ass on Monday. We love you. Peace.
We love you. I might be in Ecuador on November 14th.
Really?
Yeah, now that I think about it, I might be out of the country for that wedding.
No fucking way. It's on a Sunday.
Yeah, I mean, that's wedding day, baby.
Oh, you fucking asshole.
I gotta check the invitations on my fridge. All right.
Oh, that's so funny. All right. Well, you can come hang out and get high with me, not Brian.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track.